Here is what you should and should not drink before sex. Long-awaited date nights should not go dry, both in terms of what's in your glass and how cosy you can be with your partner in bed. Romance is something that needs to be savoured, and, sex being an integral part of it, there needs to be clear attention to what you sip on just before getting intimate with the significant other. Here is a list of drinks that can both turn on and turn off your libido. Read this before you plan your next date. Soda should be a big no for date nights. The artificial sweetener called aspartame, present in soda, is a leading cause of low libido and acute headache, which might just turn your drive down, and you won't feel like having sex. Besides, it can cause dental cavities, diabetes, obesity, and bone loss. Cocoa has been known as a natural trigger of sexual desire for eons, and by having a hot cup of hot chocolate with a dash of chili pepper, it acts as a natural aphrodisiac, and you can assure yourself of the best lovemaking. Apart from its anti-aging, cancer-checking, and immunity-boosting properties, this red fruit is the best for pouring in more passion to your lovemaking. Heat up some apple cider, put in some cinnamon and clove, and have the magic potion for a magical experience in bed. It acts as a great stimulant for your sex drive. Studies say that women who took this herb with tons of aphrodisiac in it had increased libido in a month's time. It can be considered a natural alternative to Viagra. Boil it in water and have it with some squeezed lemon or drops of honey. You will be all set to rock in bed, and he will surely fix the next date before he leaves. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe buttons and leave a comment below this video to let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions, please drop me a comment below this video and let me know what you would like to see next, and what type of videos you want me to create for you. I will be able to respond back to you as soon as possible. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.